Hello everyone. Today we are going to read the chapter Respiration, and in this part we are going to read about the definition of respiration, types and breathing. So, we know that all living organisms are made of small microscopic units called cells. Okay, and each cell performs certain functions such as nutrition, transportation, excretion and reproduction. To carry out these functions, the cell needs energy. We need energy even when we are sleeping or sitting idle. Okay, so thus all of our daily activities like eating, reading, walking, talking, everything requires energy. So where does this energy come from? So it is the food which has stored energy, and this stored energy is released during respiration. Okay, so respiration is a process of the breakdown of glucose with the release of energy using oxygen, and occurs in every cell of the living organism. Hence all living organisms uh, respire to get energy from food. Okay, the oxygen which is used in respiration is usually taken from the air, and during the process of respiration carbon dioxide is produced as a byproduct which is carried to the lungs by blood and expelled out when we breathe out. Clear? Next is types of respiration. In the cell, respiration or the breakdown of food may occur in two ways. One is aerobic, another one is anaerobic. Okay, aerobic respiration is the respiration which takes place in the presence of oxygen, and during aerobic respiration carbon dioxide, water and energy get released, and it is normally known as respiration. Okay, next is anaerobic respiration. When the chemical breakdown of glucose takes place in the absence of oxygen to produce alcohol, carbon dioxide and energy, it is called anaerobic respiration. The amount of energy released in this process is much less than the energy released during the aerobic respiration. Okay, uh, organisms that undergo anaerobic respiration can live in the absence of air and are known as anaerobes. A common example is yeast that is used in making alcoholic drinks such as wine or beer. As you can see, like after the anaerobic respiration alcohol is get produced, so that is why yeast is used in making wine or beer, and the process is known as fermentation. Okay, anaerobic respiration also takes place in the human muscle cells, and in human muscle cells after the anaerobic respiration lactic acid get produced. Okay, when a muscle undergoes extreme contraction due to the vigorous exercise, our body or the muscle cells needs a lot of oxygen, and when the muscle cells do not get enough oxygen they starts respirating anaerobically, and due to which they produce lactic acid and begins to build up in and causes pain and irritation. Okay, now here is the difference between aerobic and anaerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration occurs in the presence of oxygen, whereas anaerobic takes place in the absence of oxygen. It involves the complete oxidation to produce carbon dioxide and water, whereas in anaerobic respiration incomplete oxidation takes place and alcohol and carbon dioxide get produced. Okay, in aerobic respiration large amount of energy is released, whereas anaerobic produces less energy. This aerobic respiration occurs throughout life in humans, fish and in many organisms. Anaerobic respiration occurs for short period in bacteria, yeast and also in human cells. Okay, so this is all about this part. Breathing is the, so what is breathing? Breathing is the physical respiration or we can say the only the process of taking in oxygen and releasing out carbon dioxide is called breathing, and it is a physical process. Okay, the taking in oxygen is known as inhalation, and releasing out carbon dioxide is called exhalation. Okay, so this is all about this part. Thank you.